హాయ్ హలో వ్యూవర్స్ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను మీ శ్వేత. సో ప్రస్తుతం మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు ఎంఐటి యూనివర్సిటీలో సీనియర్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఫర్ మార్కెటింగ్ డాక్టర్ స్వాగతిక. మరి ఆవిడతో మాట్లాడి బీబీఏ కోర్స్ గురించి అయితే తెలుసుకుందాం. హలో మ్యామ్.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
So you are the senior faculty for marketing here,
Yes,
right? Since when
yes.
you are working?
I'm working here since 3 years
Okay.
with MIT, but I never felt that I'm a new faculty or new joinee or something like that.
Okay.
It gave me a home feeling for every time I'm stepping into. And here I'm looking after basically BBA and MBA marketing subjects, marketing specialization subjects, and allied subjects.
Okay. So before going into the BBA, we'll have a few words regarding MIT. As you said, it's like a home feeling vibes here.
Yes.
So
yes,
many
yes,
people are
true.
saying that the vibes are very positive. So can you say
See,
few?
I'll tell from students' point of view first. It happened to me that day for yesterday I had a lecture and one student I was interacting with, she has done a BBA with us. 2025 she passed from BBA and she enrolled with us for MBA. But she was sharing with me, she took admission somewhere else for MBA, then she could not get that vibe what we are very
Yes.
approachable to students, and we share that relationship with students all the time. She said I could not get anywhere else, so though I joined somewhere else, I had to take a dropout and came again to MIT. That is
Wow.
the feeling. Every year we have 20 to 30% of our own students taking admission into MBA.
Oh, super.
So they find it very comfortable for them. So we also find it comfortable
Yes,
for
yes.
ourselves. It is always a win-win for faculty and students. We are very happy to be a part of MIT.
Yes, end of the day, obviously there will be a family vibe.
All the time.
Yes.
It's not only classroom teaching. Students are encouraged for multiple events. Every month there will be something or other which are carried out by students, and we just monitor or supervise them. If help required, we provide them. Otherwise, it is a student-driven campus.
Okay.
Definitely.
Yes, as I said regarding the BBA and MBA,
Yes.
so how the studies are going on here regarding the BBA and MBA?
BBA is actually, ma'am, it's a 3 years program. After 12th, students can take admission into, and MBA, of course, after graduation, it's a post-graduation degree. So 2 years of MBA and 3 years of BBA.
Okay. So faculty, coming to faculty, how experienced the faculties are?
Faculties are almost, they have in an average of 18 to 20 years of work experience. Majority of the faculty are PhDs. We have hardly 5 to 8 faculties who are non-PhDs, but of course they have registered with different universities and they are in the verge of completion now.
Okay. So for the students who took the course of BBA, so what will be the career opportunities for them? So is it a mandatory for doing MBA?
No, it is not at all mandatory. See, after graduation, we encourage the students to do for master program, but if they don't want to do, we have a placement equipped cell which encourages the students to go for placements. And of course, they cannot enter into managerial jobs, but trainees, assistant managerial jobs, they welcome these BBA graduates.
Okay. So what will be the career suggestions for the BBA students?
BBA students with respective specializations, depending upon the specializations they are choosing, they are getting the jobs.
Okay. So what is the trending like category running in the BBA now?
It is not like that. It depends on what the students opt for.
Okay.
In MIT, we have nearly 60% to 70% students coming from business background. So the 30% students who do not have second generation or third generation business background, they are getting influenced by these majority of the students, and they are entering to startups also.
Okay.
So this is a new shift from seeking job. That trend has gone now. Now they want to be entrepreneurs. So we have a family business specialization. That is
Okay.
the new thing we have. Since 3-4 years we are running that. And because most of the students are coming from business background, they want to contribute, they want to go for another venture or new ventures. So they are taking up this specializations. Apart from this, we have HR, marketing, and finance as core specializations. Recent trend in business says we have business analytics
Okay.
as specialization. So data analytics and business intelligence, which is added this year.
So coming to the difference between other universities and MIT University regarding BBA, what is the main unique point in this?
The specialization is unique, ma'am. We are running the specializations as the market demands, and we encourage our students to go for entrepreneurial skills.
Okay.
So these two are the cutting edge advantage we have at MIT.
Okay. Like the other universities have placements and other benefits also, or do MIT also provide this?
MIT provides this, but more of seeking for jobs, we create the students who can offer jobs to other students.
Wow. The answer is like mind blowing. Wow. So one who are taking for the BBA course students, what will you suggest them?
They have to be very keen in studies first, ma'am. They have to open their senses to the outer world, which is changing very fast. They have to adapt those changes into them. That is more important. And of course, students are much aware now in the technological era. We are the facilitators at MIT actually. We can't create something because
Yes.
it's already within them.
Yes.
So we just channelize their resources, their
Okay.
talents.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.